Ethereum is not a coin. Ethereum is a platform. It has same functionality like Bitcoin, but very different. First, let's understand what are the same functionality it has. First, it is decentralized. It is not owned by anyone. Second, it is peer-to-peer network. You can send one Ether to your friend directly without needing a third party like bank or financial institution where transaction fees are very high. You can even send 2 Ethereum. 3. It has its own blockchain. Blockchain are multiple chains linked together where all your information will be stored. 4th, Ethereum uses cryptography, means the information will be stored in encrypted form where public or third party can't access this information. In the starting of the video, I told you Ethereum is not coin. It is an open source platform. Means Ethereum is a platform where it has a coin. Ethereum coin is known as Ether or ETC. So now you understood Ether is a coin in Ethereum platform. Let's see how Ethereum is different from Bitcoin. First, Ethereum has its own coding language called Solidity. Using Solidity, you can build dApps and Web 3.0. dApps are decentralized apps. Decentralized apps are those apps which are not controlled by anyone. One of the example of dApps is Brave, which is same like Google search engine. Second feature which makes Ethereum unique is smart contract. What is smart contract? Smart contract are programs stored on blockchain that run automatically when conditions are met. For example, if Prajwal is playing game more than 1 hour a day, then deduct 500 rupees from his account. Or else, if he is playing game for less than 1 hour, add 1000 rupees to his account. Now, smart contracts keep a track of what Prajwal is doing and automatically deducts the amount or adds the amount. You don't have to do anything. This is called smart contract. You can write smart contract for anything. The other example is if Prajwal pays 2000 rupees every month, after 24 months, pay him 1 lakh. In this way, company create smart contracts. But you have to remember that smart contracts are immutable, means you cannot change the smart contract once it is written. Did you know Ethereum was built by a 19-year boy called Vitalik Buterin? Coming to the last and important part, how you can make money from Ethereum platform. First, you can invest in Ethereum coins. Second, you can be a Solidity developer. As this industry is new, there are many job opportunities right now, and for the freshers, they will be paying around 1 to 3 lakh minimum. For experienced people, even more. To learn Solidity, you have to first know JavaScript or any high-level coding languages. Please note, this is not any financial advice. So consider doing your own research. If you find this class interesting, join Crypto School by subscribing to the channel.